Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Himang and I welcome you all to this new video. Now I hope that you watched my last video, which was the part 1 of basics of stock market, and today is the part 2 of that. Yesterday we learned a lot of new things and today we are going to do the same, and I'm very excited for this particular video. So yeah, without wasting much time, we should just dive into this video. So yeah, today is the part 2 of basics of stock market, where I'll be taking you guys from very start to start about stock market. So yeah, yesterday we learned a lot of new things. The first thing was स्टॉक या फिर शेयर का मतलब क्या होता है. जस्ट रिवाइज इट. स्टॉक इज़ नथिंग बट अ पार्ट ऑफ कंपनीज ओनरशिप, राइट. सेकेंड थिंग, स्टॉक मार्केट क्या होता है. स्टॉक मार्केट इज़ अ प्लेस वेर यू कैन बाय एंड सेल स्टॉक्स ऑफ अ कंपनी. नंबर 3, मार्केट के पार्टिसिपेंट्स कौन कौन से होते हैं. ऑन एन एवरेज अगर हम टॉप व्यू से देखें तो देयर आर 5 पार्टिसिपेंट्स इन द मार्केट: इन्वेस्टर्स, companies, brokers, regulators and market makers. Then we learned about primary and secondary market. Now primary market is a place where new shares are sold for the first time, and secondary market is a place where those शेयर्स आर ट्रेडेड. आई होप कि आपका सारा जो भी अपने ने कल लर्न किया था वो अभी आपका रिवाइज हो गया. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी ऑल द न्यू स्टफ. सो फर्स्ट टॉपिक फॉर टुडे इज स्टॉक एक्सचेंजेस. इंडिया में देयर आर 2 स्टॉक एक्सचेंजेस, NSE एंड BSE. उनके बारे में हम सीखने वाले हैं आज. सो लेट्स गो. First stock exchange is NSE, National Stock Exchange, and here is everything that you need to know about NSE for now. So NSE, National Stock Exchange, is the largest stock exchange in India in terms of trading volume. अभी ये क्या होता है हम आगे समझते हैं. अभी के लिए बस इतना याद रखो कि NSE is the largest stock exchange in India, and NSE में 2000 companies listed है. So पूरे इंडिया में से 2000 companies are listed in NSE, and NSE के इंडेक्स को हम कहते हैं निफ्टी 50. निफ्टी 50 is what? It is an index जिसमें टॉप 50 कंपनीज ऑफ NSE की ग्रोथ ट्रैक होती है. सो इसमें आ गया इन्फोसिस, रिलायंस, TCS, ये सारी कंपनीज जो भी टॉप 50 कंपनीज है जिसकी मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन सबसे बड़ी है, इनकी ग्रोथ कौन ट्रैक करता है? निफ्टी 50. एंड NSE एस्टैब्लिश्ड हुआ था 1992 में, एंड उसके 2 साल बाद इट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड automated online trading. It was the first stock exchange in India to introduce online automated trading, and इसके screen based automated trading को हम कहते हैं NEAT, National Exchange for Automated Trading. and अभी हम देखते हैं BSE के बारे में, which is the Bombay Stock Exchange, and it was the oldest stock exchange of Asia. ये establish हुआ था 1875 में, and BSE में 5000 companies listed हैं. एंड ऑल्सो BSE के स्क्रीन बेस्ड ऑनलाइन ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म को हम बोलते हैं बोल्ट, विच इज़ BSE ऑनलाइन ट्रेडिंग. And the next topic for today is SEBI. SEBI is Security and Exchange Board of India, and here is everything that you need to know about SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India. इसके 5 main functions है which they need to do as a regulator for financial market. So the very first function of SEBI is rules and laws. Now SEBI formulates rules, regulations and laws for all the market participants, and they all have to follow it so that there is no fraudulent activity happening and the whole decorum of financial market is maintained. Second function is protection. Now SEBI is responsible to protect you and me, like retail investors and every other market participant, so that they do not get exploited and उनके साथ कोई भी fraudulent activity ना हो. कंटिन्यूस डेवलपमेंट करना, इनोवेशन करना, अवेयरनेस फैलाना, प्रमोटिंग इन्वेस्टिंग इन इंडिया, everything is done by SEBI. Fifth and the last function is regulation. SEBI regulates all the market participants, you and me, like retail investors, and then portfolio managers, stock exchanges, brokers, and every other market participants. Basically that's all you need to understand, right? And it makes sure that कोई भी कुछ गलत काम करके extra profit तो gain नहीं कर रहा है. So the next topic for today is stock market indexes. Now there are so many stock market indexes available in the market, and discussing all of them in today's video is not at all possible. Here are a few examples of that, जैसे कि Nifty 50, Small Cap Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty Auto, Nifty Pharma, BSE 100, BSE 200, and so on and so forth. There are so many indexes. Also, I didn't talk about what is an index. So index is a measuring tool for stock market. If we say that Bank Nifty is going up, then all the stock which comes under Bank Nifty are also going up on an average. So the very first index that we are going to talk about is Nifty 50. In Nifty 50 के अंदर top 50 companies of NSE India are listed, and उन सब की growth is measured by Nifty 50. And there are a lot of stocks of different sectors which are listed under this index. And the next index is Bank Nifty. As the name suggests, Bank Nifty के अंदर top companies of banking sectors are listed, and these are the companies which are listed under Bank Nifty. It tracks the growth of the top companies of banking sector. And after that, there is BSE Sensex. This is the index of BSE, which is known as Sensex. इसके अंदर top 30 companies of BSE are listed, and it is tracked by that, जिसकी growth contract करता है Sensex. And BSE Sensex is the most oldest and prominent index of stock market in India. Then we have Nifty IT. Of course, it tracks the growth of IT companies, top IT companies in India. Then we have Nifty FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, and it gives the insight about the performance of FMCG sector. After that, we have Fin Nifty. It is a sectorial index of NSE, which tracks the growth of the financial sector. It includes banks, insurance companies, housing finance companies, and other financial institutions. And yeah, this was the last topic for today, and I hope that you have liked today's video, you understood all the topics that we discussed in today's video. And if you have any kind of doubts, please feel free to ask me in the comments down below, and if I made any mistakes, please feel free to correct me as well in the comments down below. And that is all for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please feel free to do so. And now I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and this is Simangi signing off for now.